Welcome to another Ask Hennasooq, where I give you answers to your pressing questions every week. And this is brought to you by myself, Khadijah, leading henna and Ayurvedic hair care experts, bringing you all the tools, all the recipes, and all the hair care regimens that your heart can desire for reaching all of your hair goals. This week's question is, what is neutral henna? Or, as they say in French, c'est quoi le henna neutre? C'est quoi ça? Qu'est-ce que c'est le henna neutre? Mais c'est quoi ça? I had to share a little bit of French with you. So, neutral henna is really not henna. You see, henna is its own plant. It grows and it produces a reddish tint all on its own. There are no such thing as henna colors. And you hear about this neutral henna, what is it? It's actually really a whole nother plant, to be quite honest, a whole other plant. It's typically Cassia. Cassia is what has gotten the new name of neutral henna because it acts like henna and behaves like some of the properties and benefits that you can get from henna, but it's not gonna color your hair a reddish tint. So it's organic Cassia obovata. But the thing is, Cassia is also very cleansing, so it's still kind of quite different from henna. Henna is packed with a lot more protein and is very strengthening. So they're kind of not, they're not the same, but organic Cassia gets labeled neutral henna when it is just amazing Cassia, which is great for your hair, which you definitely have to check out. Check out our other videos on Cassia and how to use it and how to create your own recipe with Cassia, so that way you can get a cleansing, defined, wash and go type of recipe that you can use on your hair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so that way you can stay tuned for the next videos that we have coming up. You don't want to miss it.